am installing or trying to install a tension rod room divider. So I bought a tension rod room divider off Amazon. I will link it below. And I'm going to install it in my bedroom. My bedroom is fairly large. I had moved my bed around and to make more room. And I have so much stuff I need to get rid of. And a lot of it is good, but I have no use for it. So I'm trying to sell it, but it's not selling. And in the interim, I just have nowhere to put it. So I'm going to show you that, and then I'll show you where I'm going to install it, and I'm going to video it for you on how to install this tension rod room divider, and you use curtains. So I bought the tension rod at Amazon, and I bought the curtains at Giant Tiger. I'm going to turn the camera around now and show you what I'm talking about, if I can do that. Okay, so here we go. When you come into my room, this is my bed, and I have the box on my bed, and then I have the curtains on my bed. I have a dresser there that I refinished, and that's my makeup table. And it's covered with stuff because I've tried to move things around. So my bed is great. It's a double bed. I absolutely love it. There's my closet over there. I have a built-in bookcase. I have a little dresser there. So this is the wall that I'm talking about. I've got the bookcase, I've got the lamp, the mirror, another little shelf, my dresser, and then I have another bookcase there, but it's a storage unit. And I just need to hide all this. None of it matches. It looks terrible. I would love to get like a pack system from IKEA. And that would be wall-to-wall shelving, and it has doors. It's 26 inches deep. It would be awesome, but it's $800 and I can't afford that. I am going to install this room divider and see how that works. I'm going to start installing it just at the edge of the windowsill. So where the windowsill is, you can see that I can push the curtain over a bit, right? So I want to put it at the edge there somehow, you know, a couple of inches or whatever. And that'll give me a couple of inches in front of all this stuff. It'll give me maybe 2 feet in front of this stuff so I can go in there, right? And then I want to put it over as far as that bookcase because I've got to be able to access my closet. I can't go all the way over. So that's why I opted to get that room divider. There's no damage to be done. I don't have to attach it to the ceiling or anything. And then that way it'll just stand there and it's tension. So you got the tension poles going up and down, and then the other rod sits on top. We're gonna give it a shot and see what happens. Bear with me while we do this. Okay, so here we go, guys. Like I said, I got it on Amazon, and it was just delivered a couple of hours ago. I am an Amazon associate, but it doesn't cost you any money to use my link, okay? Ooh. So, okay, lots of stuff. So we have, wow. This says vertical ABCH. This one says vertical ABCH. Oops, one of these fell out of one of them. This must, I don't know, so. This one says horizontal and vertical. So there's 3 vertical poles that go up, right? Up and down. These are the hooks that hold the horizontal pole. And then these are the things that go on the floor and the ceiling. Okay. So here is the instruction. This one, I got this one because it seemed like sturdier. So it has like the 3, or you can assemble it this way, or you can assemble it this way. So it's entirely up to you if you want to use it on an angle, if you wanted to angle it, whatever, however you're going to use it, right? And then it gives you the instructions, and that's it there. And I got white. We're going to do the vertical ones first. This one's different. Whew. You guys can kind of watch me. So let's just test this one. Might be too tight. Oh, maybe not. That's pretty good. Okay, guys, so I'm getting there. I've got the 3 poles up. They look pretty even. I'm using the floorboards as my measuring thing on the floor. And what I did with my hammer is I wrapped some stuff around it so I could tap these to move them, because you can't move them otherwise. Handy dandy stool. So this is the most crucial one because of the other curtain rod. So it may have to come down a wee bit. So that is that. Well, that is that. Yeah, almost 5 inches. So let's see if I can get it down just a wee bit. That is 5.5 inches. That's 5. It's got to come down some more. I don't think the ceiling is the same height. Okay, so that's 5.5. I like the idea this one has a middle rod. Some of them just have like the 2 rods, but I got this one because I was hoping it would be more stable. Okay, so that's good. One more to go. Now we need to put the horizontal rod together. Yes, that fits. Perfect. All right, let's put the curtains on and then hang it up. See what it looks like. These are the curtains. I just got like a beige, and I didn't want you to be able to see through them. Pretty heavy. Alright, get up on my handy dandy stool and slip that in there. Now I'm gonna have to really, okay, you just gotta push it a bit. Okay, now that one. Okay, so I've gotta go over there. Whew. Now I didn't time this, so, but it hasn't been too long. There we go. So that's in. So now let's hope the curtains fit. I can always get more curtains, right? My handy dandy hammer. Move this down a bit. Take my time, just do a little bit at a time. I don't need to rush. That's not bad. Okay, everybody, here is the finished product. So there is the rod and the curtains. Now, I don't know if I'm crazy about the curtain color or the curtains themselves, but I put a few pins in it. It looks okay. It's not opening up. And then I'm just going to straighten out my room. This is it. So this is a lot better than looking at all that junk that was there. So once I get this all cleaned up and straightened up, it's gonna be good. Thank you for watching. Again, I will post everything I used in the description, and we will talk to you again really soon. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye for now.